Hello, teachers. Hello, equities. My name is Huyền, ID number 4758. Now I would like to do my homework V022 with philosophy of education. With philosophy of education focuses on cultivating inner awareness and developing wisdom levels. It aims to guide people toward the highest level of maturity expressed through seven dimensions of holistic growth: wealth of wisdom, wealth of meditation, wealth of characters, wealth of virtues, wealth of competence, wealth of physics, and wealth of material. This philosophy brings individuals a source of inner peace, tolerance, and appreciation and gratitude. It helps them live simpler, more trustful, more trusting, and more peaceful lives. Thank you for listening.